Want to use AI but don't have the budget, hardware, or team to build it yourself? Well, good news, you don't have to. Thanks to AI as a service, powerful AI tools are now available to everyone. In this video, we are going to break down exactly what AI as a service is, how it works, and how it's already changing the way we live and work. Imagine electricity. You don't build your own power plant, right? You just plug into the grid and pay for what you use. The same concept applies to software. Instead of installing massive programs, we simply subscribe. Example, Microsoft 365, Google Docs. And AI works the same way, but through the cloud. Rather than buying hardware, hiring data scientists, maintaining large language models, you rent AI tools and pay only for what you use. AI as a service is built in layers. Here's how it works. At the bottom, there's infrastructure. These are the powerful servers, GPUs, and storage that run AI at scale. In the middle, there's pre-trained models, ready-made algorithms for language, vision, or predictions. And at the top, there are applications. These are the tools you use every day like chatbots, text summarizers, or image generators. Here are a few types of AI as a service you might already use. Machine learning as a service. Tools like Amazon SageMaker help train and deploy models without needing to manage the infrastructure. Natural language processing as a service. Grammarly uses this tech to improve writing. Computer vision as a service. Google Cloud Vision can identify objects or plants in your photos. Okay, now we've understood what it is, but why should you care about it? Let's talk benefits. Cost savings, scalability, speed to market. And the best part? Providers keep you updated with the latest AI advancements without you doing anything. Example, OpenAI's GPT-5. You've probably used AI as a service in ways you didn't even realize. Personal assistants like Siri or Alexa that help you manage your day are powered by natural language processing as a service. AI-driven health apps that track fitness, sleep, and even give personalized diet advice are all thanks to machine learning models. Then there's smart home devices that learn your preferences and adjust automatically. And for businesses, AI as a service opens up even more possibilities. Companies like Zendesk use customer service chatbots to handle the routine questions. Ever browsed Amazon and got those customers who bought this also bought kind of suggestions? That's AI at work. It analyzes your past behavior, what you've looked at, what you've purchased, and what others like you have bought to recommend products you're more likely to buy. AI makes this process super personalized, helping businesses increase sales and improve the customer experience. Next is the fraud detection. Imagine you're shopping online and you suddenly get a fraud alert from your bank. Behind the scenes, AI is monitoring millions of transactions in real time. For example, MasterCard's Decision Intelligence uses AI to analyze transaction patterns, flagging anything unusual like a sudden large purchase in a different country and preventing fraudulent transactions before they happen. AI as a service is making powerful AI tools as accessible as electricity. For individuals, it means creativity and productivity right at your fingertips. For businesses, it means scaling much faster than ever before. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI videos, and let me know in the comments which part of AI as a service you'd like to explore deeper. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.